single mother to my 2.5-year-old son. I was diagnosed last year of March, and right now I am on my 5th to 6th month of remission na, complete remission. I am now, since December, I started my 3-year maintenance daw po, sabi ni Dr. Ona. I am now on oral chemo. My medicines are oral methotrexate and mercaptopurine. So, now I am feeling so much stronger, and as you noticed the pictures a while ago, I was very skinny before, and now I am gaining weight. Before I am stuck with 92 pounds, and now I gain for 123 pounds na. My hair already grew also. I was very thankful to God for having this disease, because without my encounter with leukemia, because with this disease I grew stronger, not just in faith, but I knew that so many people truly love me. From my friends, from my relatives, and from somebody that I never knew actually helped me a lot, and I am very thankful to God. I always pray whenever I have operations or during my chemo. I just pray to God that siya na bahala sa akin. I just offer Him everything, and so far, He never left me in this journey, and I know that He will be with me until the end. I know that He has better plans, actually the best plans for all of us. And I just want to thank also again EPCAM for being there with me, especially in prayers. Iba po talaga pag meron kang kakilala na tao na hindi mo talaga kilala before, pero ngayon talagang family talaga ang turing sa'yo. And thankful po ako, and I always pray na palakihin pa ni God tong foundation na to, dahil marami pong matutulungan talaga. Message ko lang din, kasi katulad din po kami nandito, pero kay Doc po, na huwag po kayong bibitaw sa journey nyo, kasi kami ni Doc Sara talagang si God ang nagpalakas sa amin. Before nga, muntik na rin sumuko si Doc, pero sabi ko, kaya mo yan, Doc, hindi tayo mababayaan ni God. Ngayon, magka-text kami, talagang mabigilan natin kay God. So talagang, siya lang talaga. Kung time mo naman, pero ito nananaba kami pareho. Kaya Doc, kung po yung bibitaw, lagi nyo lang pag may mga chemo sessions kayo or pag-pray nyo lang lagi, nandiyan lang siya palagi. Ngayon po, ang update po pala for me, I am due for ovarian cyst operation po. Dapat this week, dapat po actually yesterday, kaya lang na-move po. Siguro mga June 1st or 2nd week of June po. Kasi yung cyst po before na when I was diagnosed with leukemia, yung cyst po sa aking left ovary was small lang before. Nung nagpa-check po ako nung mga February or March this year, kasi medyo na-notice po namin na bloated yung stomach ko pagka, sabi ko, hindi naman to busog lang eh. Sabi ko, gano'n talagang, sabi ko po sa mami ko, parang this is not normal. Then we went to the my aunt who is a OB-GYN. Then she said na nagpa-transvaginal ultrasound po, and it now grew around 7 centimeters na po. So she wanted to remove it for baka mag-rupture pa po kasi, and it might cause lead to ovarian cancer, mga ganun po. So yun po pinagpipray ko, pero sana with natural remedies and with the healing of God na hindi na po sana ma-opera kasi medyo nakakatakot din. Pero if mag-push through po ang operation, talagang alam ko naman hindi ang iwanan tinigan. Talagang para sa tabi ko po. So yun lang po ang talagang message ko. Si God lang talaga ang paalam sa ating lahat. I-offer na lang natin lahat sa Kanya and He will never leave us and He loves us too. So, yeah, thank you.